Alright, hey guys, it's MotorLife52 here. Today we'll be showing you how to change a spark plug in a two-stroke dirt bike. Right here we have a 2007 RM85. Race ready. Gonna be racing it next year, so I'll be putting up videos with my GoPro. So here we go. First step, you want to pop the coil off, like so, off the spark plug. Simple as that. You get it behind the plug, like so. Next step, I use a 13/16 wrench to get to it easier because my spark plug wrench does not fit underneath the frame. So this step, you want to put your wrench and loosen it. To the point where you can loosen it with your fingers, which I am at. So this step, it's gonna be hard to get on camera, so you just take the plug off, just unscrew it out of the head, the cylinder. Alright, so here's the plug fouled, as you can see. And the new one, woo, big difference. Oh yeah. We're using NGK spark plugs, racing competition. And if you guys are wondering what the number is for the spark plug, it's BR9EG. That's good to know. Alright, so if you don't have a new spark plug and it's like bogging out and stuff, just take here. I'll just take the plug off. Just wipe it down with the towel, just the threads and all that. Chances are you flooded it, or you ain't riding with high revs, which is bad for your bike, obviously, on a two-stroke. Right here we have an 01 KX85 motor that I'm going to be rebuilding. Anyway, here we go. And then on the top, we just get a wired brush. And you could put it, my phone just went off, just saying. You put it in a vice clamp, and you wire brush the top. Alright, but anyway, here's the new one. And then the next step, you take your new spark plug and you put it in the threads. Once you got it in the threads, just screw it on completely until you can't hand tighten anymore. And you do not want to over tighten these spark plugs because it might strip out the cylinder head or the spark plug, and then you're screwed. More parts, hey, huh? That's bad. Okay. So I'm at the point where I can't tighten it anymore. And make sure the thread of the spark plug is on correctly. So you take your wrench, put it in, and then you just snug it. You do not want to put a lot of pressure on the spark plug, like so. Alright. And that's it. And always remember to put your coil on. Make sure you put it on correctly, because there's 2 clicks that you gotta go on. And make sure it's all the way down, like so. And then start your bike and see if it starts. So I might as well just do a startup of it. So all this camera down. And let's do a little start up of it. Gas on. We'll do it no choke. Let's see if he starts first kick, guys. So. There we go. First kick. And that's how you change your spark plug on your two-stroke dirt bike. Thanks for watching.